Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get XYO cryptocurrency using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen you should see these four buttons: send, receive, buy and swap. Now, if you want to get XYO Oracle cryptocurrencies, you can either buy them or receive them. Now tap on the one that you choose and start typing in XYO, and it's going to pop up immediately. When you tap on it, Trust Wallet is going to generate your own personal QR code, and with this QR code you can receive XYO coins in your Trust Wallet very easily. You can also use this QR code to scan it for yourself if you want to transfer your cryptos from a different wallet to your Trust Wallet. You can also use the copy icon, which is going to copy automatically your Trust Wallet address, and you can receive coins this way. The second icon in the bottom is a very interesting feature where you can type in an exact amount of coins, let's say 2,794, and it's going to create a new QR code for you, and with this new QR code you can receive this exact amount of coins, which is a great way for transactions or payments where you need to receive an exact amount. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.